Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start in Safari because iPhone's private browsing is built into it. First, unlock your device and launch Safari. That's faster than searching settings. Once Safari is open, tap the tabs icon at the bottom right to view tab groups. Now choose Private to switch modes. This isolates cookies, history, and auto-fill for that session. Finally, tap the plus icon to open a fresh private tab. You're ready to browse without leaving traces on the device. Once you're in private mode, make sure Safari shows the private label and the darker interface. That visual cue confirms isolation. If a site misbehaves, temporarily disable extensions or content blockers from the Share or Extensions menu. Some blockers can break site loading. Also, make sure autofill and saved passwords aren't filling forms by checking settings Safari if you want extra safety. These checks help you understand how private actually. To finish, close all private tabs or switch back to the regular tab view. Doing so clears that session's temporary data. If private fails to open or tabs act strangely, force quit Safari and reopen it. And if that doesn't help, restart your iPhone. Simple restarts resolve many glitches. Make sure iOS is up to date in Settings General Software Update when problems persist. This ensures compatibility and fixes for Safari privacy features, so private mode works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.